Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find Facebook search history. We start by opening Facebook, then click on our account icon, and then on Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. Next, we are going to click on the Your Search History option. After this, we will be able to see what we have searched for on Facebook. If we want to delete this history, we can click on Clear Searches. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.